Yes, sir. We gonna kill this. What's up, guys? We're out here again. Carlos, Dakoda, and Trey. Trey, let them know what we about to go do, man.
You know, we finna go. You're not pointing, dog.
I am. I'm right at you.
Me? Me?
Yeah.
Hell no. No, I'm playing. We going to pick up an S14, bro. Well, hopefully, if everything goes well, pick up a new chassis. I sold the Z, so S14, you feel me? That's chassis.
What's up, guys? We're a few minutes away from going to pick up this S14. Carlos is still driving. Me and Trey just got a quick little nap in there.
Quick.
Alright, yeah, so we're about 15 minutes out. Go pick up this car, or at least check it out, see how it is, and drive it 2 hours home. So hopefully it goes pretty well.
Hopefully Trey gets a pretty good deal on this, man. But what are you looking to spend today, Trey?
I don't know, dog. Like, I don't want to be paying out the ass, but you know how it goes. I know I ain't got. You're gonna pay fucking army life. Like, you know what? Like,
Drip tax is a real thing.
Yeah, get rid of that little drip tax.
One eternity later.
All right, it looks like we're here. This here is the S chassis that we're looking at. Let's take a closer look, so to speak. Sunroof, automatic. Cool, it's got the whole interior, at least that. Stock KA. Is this a 95?
96.
Ah.
I don't know if you want me to pick it up in the back.
Yeah, this is pretty common with these 240s, is a ripped up dash. Only way to tell is you jack it up, Trey.
right. Do you have a jack?
The underbody rust is very popular on these 240s too.
That pinch welds.
Yeah. Yeah, my pinch wells are non-existent. But hey, it still jacks it up pretty easily there. This little carbon fiber, but it's odd looking. I'll tell you what.
Just lift it from the gear. The engine bay itself looks
It does. It doesn't look like it's leaking any at all either. There's no leaks. I think it's pretty clean. Yeah. Is there any play on the steering wheel? The steering shaft?
I didn't feel it any.
Okay. That's pretty common too, I hear.
Yeah. But I mean, the steering wheel might be locked too.
Ah. All the emission stuff is still here. It's completely stock KA.
Yeah. AC still hooked up. The heater core is not even bypassed.
Nice. Take a look at what we got back here. Oh shit. Oh, sorry, go ahead. Is this a cold start? Oh, okay. said this was cold start, so. Ooh. Sounds good. Pretty good condition, dude. Look at this mirror. I don't know if you're tracking that. It's pretty cool, I guess. That one missing. That's not missing. Yeah, the trunk latch is right here if you pop in it. Oh, this doesn't have it? Oh, shit.
I'll go get the other key for you.
Okay, thanks.
Oh, you got to leave the truck?
Yeah, it's gutted.
The trunk's gutted?
Yeah.
It's not rusty?
No.
Yeah, it's pretty cool that it's a 5 lug on top of that. But damn, look at that paint job. Oh, that is distasteful. Yeah.
S14's already 5 lug?
SE's one.
No, SEs are the only ones, yeah.
Really?
Yeah. No, one thing for sure though is it's definitely burning oil though. And it's burning oil through the valve guide seals.
Is it?
Yeah.
Smoke a little bit?
It's smoking a lot when you rev it.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. But then again though, the mileage is pretty high, so over 200,000. It's more mileage than my S14.
Can we test drive it?
Yeah.
All right, going for a test drive. So what you think, bro?
I think it's pretty solid, bro.
So we getting it?
Yeah.
You go.
That's a hook. Those dudes are looking at us like, ha, yeah, that guy bought a piece of shit. Fuck yeah, dude.
Wow, you really bought that trash?
Yeah. Alright, well.
Sometime today, princess.
Oh, Sherry. Fucking great.
This guy.
You had all this time.
Trey bought the S14, as you can see from our previous clips. He's driving it home. It doesn't look too happy because we're in 102 degree weather. Yeah, in the summer heat of Texas. And he doesn't have AC, just like most S chassis.
Homeboy in a black car with cloth seats and no AC and 102 degrees. I know how bad that is. It's like the other day, I picked up a hood and some fenders for the E36, and I drove 3 hours to go pick them up. Bought them for like 130 bucks, and just was there for 5 minutes and turned around and drove 3 hours back. And it was 108 that day, and I have AC in my truck.
All right, well, we've stopped because Trey's getting super hot in that S14 with no AC. All right, Trey, how you feel, dog?
It rides really fucking good. The only problem I've found so far is bump steer, and then like I guess it's just an automatic thing. They're like throttle response shit is weird as fuck, bro. So like I'll be like going and then it'll just mat itself, bro.
Trey just butt dialed Dakoda.
Oh
We
shit,
have
Austin's
him on
coming
fucking
out too.
speaker. Oh no! You'd have to wait. Austin's gonna have to wait. This is too good. Let's just see if you know, Trey is gonna fucking start singing or whistling or talking to himself, because we have him over here on goddamn speaker.
He pocket dialed us at the gas pump, and I was like, bro, why is this homeboy calling me again? But yeah, so I don't know. We're about to find out if he's being weird.
Yeah.
Find out if he's a weirdo. Apparently he's a Fall Out Boy fan.
Yeah. Alright guys, we made it back home. Trey's pretty ecstatic about getting his new S14. It's also a very hot ride. It looks like it's nice and cool outside. So, you know, we're just living the life, doing our thing. Yeah, let's go check him out. Look at that. My S14. He got one now too. Oh shit. What the fuck? Oh shit. Damn, dog. Damn.
I thought it. I was like, damn, that would have been cool.
And then Greg and then Tiger.
Yep, that's pretty.
Yeah, we're,
Cool. All right. Well, thanks for watching. That's the end of today.